just want to show you the strategies that I've used over the years to grow and to keep the organic traffic coming from YouTube to my branded website, myvoxsongs.com. Back in 2013, at its height, my channel was getting around 200,000 to 300,000 views per day and earning around $200. Even though I'm not as active on the channel anymore, it's still achieving 20,000 to 25,000 views a day and a nominal ad revenue due to the limited targeting for kids channels now. Videos I made years ago continue to still earn money, so using an evergreen strategy for your channel can still be a super profitable thing for you to do in the long run. These days I've seen some fantastic new changes which allow more opportunities to show ads on your videos, so there's never been a better time to start and grow your YouTube channel if you're looking for that extra potential revenue source. And it's never too late, of course. When it comes to ad revenue, it's all about the numbers. The more views you get, the higher chance of earning. So the ads that you typically see are at the beginning of a YouTube video, and you can also see them sometimes in the middle of a video and also at the end. You also get a number of display ads which are around your video on the watch page. This is how you earn ad revenue. There's 3 big mistakes people make when launching a YouTube channel. So let's take a look at these and see how you can avoid them. The first mistake people make is uploading random videos to their channel. I see this so many times. So many people do this, from independent creators to big brands. To avoid this mistake, you need to follow a clear video content strategy so that your videos are coherent with your channel's main topic and brand. The second big mistake is that people are not implementing simple growth strategies after uploading their video. So they've done all the hard work of making a fabulous video, but then they don't bother to properly optimize it to help that video get discovered. And then they get discouraged when they don't get many views. To overcome this mistake, in this training I'm going to show you how to optimize your video upload with the 4 key search engine optimization features. The third big mistake is launching a channel without a YouTube channel plan. If you want to see YouTube success, you have to follow a proven strategy to take you from idea to goal. Your strategy is your power bridge. Starting a YouTube channel might seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be, I promise. The main secret to success on YouTube is to have a clear channel strategy and roadmap. Build a framework and enjoy the process. Not having a clear roadmap can easily get you into a muddle, and when confusion sets in, you can lose focus and it's hard to stay motivated. So let's kickstart your YouTube channel launch with a clear YouTube channel strategy. Let me show you how you can do this in just 4 simple steps. The first step is to decide on the topics your niche audience are looking for. The second step is to create compelling video around these search topics. The third step is to optimize your channel for search and discovery so that your videos can be found by the right audience. And the fourth step involves engaging and encouraging your audience to become part of your YouTube community. If you can remember these 4 steps, you're halfway there to YouTube success. And I'm happy to say I'll be covering all of this in today's training on the 3 secrets to YouTube success. So let's dive into the first secret for success: how to confidently create compelling videos.